Allocate SoftTech introduces agileMAINT, a maintenance software for all types of shot blasting, CED, pretreatment, powder coating, and painting plants. Created by a seasoned veteran who has 35 years of design, production, and maintenance experience in the industry. The software is customized for your plant so you can plug and play. Interested?
Auto-schedule the maintenance jobs by service hours, or by number of days, or by parameter value, or by consumption value. When can you do this job? Only on a holiday or any day? Allocate the jobs and get all the metrics, index, costing, and pointers to reduce costs. Need an example? Let's say heat-up time of the degreasing bath is 1 hour. You want to clean the heat exchanger when that 1 hour becomes 1.5 hours. Well, when this happens, the scheduling is triggered and you'll get an alert on your phone. agileMAINT does not stop at that. It'll check and find out if scale removers are available in the store. It'll also check if chemicals or water are required. Find out the stock, compare with the production plan, and alert you on your mobile. Designed to help those toiling in the trenches to achieve the highest OEE, TEEP, and lowest cost per square foot.
Impressed? Visit Allocate.net and leave all the heavy lifting to us.